That's right. I was in the Navy for 6 years. I worked in the men's department. Navy personnel call us Marines. Ah! The few, the proud. Up here on the right is a park called Standing Indian, and it's supposed to be one of the largest trees in western North Carolina. So this little park here on the right, I can't tell you, I've never been back up in there. I feel it's coming. Now that I'm retired and free, 'cause I'm free, free to live the life that's ahead of me. I'm free. Sorry, my bad. Road is not as dirty as I was expecting it to be. It's not as wet as I was expecting it to be. It's foggier than I wanted it to be. Now that we're going down the mountain, we're in those low hanging clouds, fog clouds, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling just so, I don't know. I'm hoping you can see. All right, we're below the cloud now. Here, let me. You guys clean? You clear? Can you see what's going on? I hope I didn't make it worse for y'all. I hope if you guys come to the mountains, you stitch some of these roads that I ride. I hope you stitch them together and go explore something other than Tail of the Dragon. Tirahela. I mean, there's a lot of nice places to ride, and most of the roads that I show you on my videos, I mean, these are good roads, well-known roads. I don't take you off into some of the real desolate roads that go into downtown nowhere. I probably won't even run a camera when I go down some of those back roads. I mean really back roads. But you never know. You never know what I'm going to give you in the future. One of these days I'm going to head over to Silva. I've got so much going on right now, it's just it's hard between the weather and all the stuff that I got going on. When I left the house this morning at 7, my second house had workers there, which was kind of odd to see. I'm not sure what they're doing. I guess I'll find out when I get home. I still have to pour some concrete for the air conditioning pad. The HVAC companies use these really crappy plastic pads underneath the compressors outside. So I've got it formed up so they can drop the two compressors on concrete. Some beautiful dirt they're digging up there. If I were closer, I'd come over here and get a load of dirt. In Murphy, North Carolina, you cannot get topsoil. That's something else I've been doing. So if you're in Murphy, North Carolina, and you're watching this video, I'm gonna give a huge shout out to Seabolt's Tree Service. They did some work for me a couple weeks ago, and this week they've been dropping wood chips in my yard. So I've been taking the wood chips and mixing it into the clay, I guess. Best description I can give you what I have, because it's not dirt. So hopefully in a year or two I'll have dirt. I've been slowly mixing in any kind of organic debris I can get, wood chips, compost, into my pile. So my compost pile is much larger than these two trucks in front of me.